Hey everyone, it's Jason Gillette here. I am showing you a quick video on the Lincoln Corsair, and it is about the cruise control. This does mess people up, and you might have wondered, where is the cruise control on this car? I can't find my set, my resume, what's going on? Okay, first of all, it is this little button right here. When you press this, these all light up. Super cool. Kind of hides it when you're not using it. You know whether your cruise is on or off. And then you turn them on by pulling backwards with your fingertips. So you have resume, set, and set plus, set minus. You can speed up or slow down. And then on this side, we can cancel the cruise, or we can use these two buttons. What are these two buttons? Well, this one is for your adaptive cruise control. That means the vehicle will slow down automatically when it is getting too close, and those lines mean how close you slow down. So if I pull this, you'll see my display, pull this, there's 3 lines, 4 lines, 2 lines, 1 line. So right now I'm like right up on Buddy's butt, and then it'll slow me down, or here I'm quite a ways back before when it'll start slowing me down. So the more bars you have, the faster it slows you down when you get close to somebody. Now, what is this other picture of? Well, that is Ford or Lincoln's lane centering technology. That means this vehicle, when you have that turned on, will use the lines on the ground and will steer the steering wheel. That's right. So if you're going around corners on the highway, it will just steer them. You do have to keep your hands on the steering wheel. It wants to feel feedback from you, but it is doing the steering, not you. And it actually takes a lot of the work out of driving. It's pretty nice. The last thing I want to touch on for cruise control is normal, adaptive, and intelligent. What is 3 kinds of cruise? Yeah, it has 3 kinds of cruise. So I'm in my display here. I'm going to go into settings. I'm going to go into driver assistance. I'm going to go into cruise control. What do we have here? We have normal, adaptive, and cruise and intelligent. So normal is the cruise control is normal. It will not brake. Okay. Adaptive means it will slow down when it gets too close to the vehicle in front of you. Intelligent takes that a step further. Not only will it slow you down in the vehicle in front of you, when it sees a speed sign, when you go past the speed sign, it will change your vehicle speed. If you're speeding, if you're doing 80 and it goes past something for 65, it'll take you back down to 65. Pretty cool, right? You don't unintentionally speed, which is awesome. Now, say you're like, man, I don't like doing the speed limit. I always speed. Okay, up to you. Why don't we set our tolerance to 5 kilometers an hour, 6 kilometers over, 7 kilometers over. We can set it, I think, up to 10 kilometers over the speed limit, so that when it sees the speed sign, it'll slow you down, but not that much. Now, your speeding tickets, it's your fault, but you can do that. So pretty cool. 3 different options for the cruise control. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that. Please do me a favor and click subscribe and go ahead and hit that notifications button, and I will keep making great videos. Thanks, and have a great day.